Yo guys, welcome to this video. Today we're going to trade live again. We're going to either trade the DAX or UK 100. UK 100 is looking a bit more clean. So today we're going to go through how I trade, start to finish, stay all the way to the end to find out if I won or lost. How I won, how I lost, I don't know. Let's find out. But look, I don't hold back. I'm just going to share with you exactly what I see. And I was trying to actually record yesterday, but I had some technical difficulties. I am moving house. I'm in a new environment. This is gonna look so cool in the next few days. But yeah, I took a loss yesterday. I actually recorded it, but I didn't manage to show it. So I'm gonna trade again today anyway, so it's fine. Today's a Tuesday, and I post every Wednesday and Saturday. So guys, like and follow, turn the notification bells on because I post again every Wednesday and Saturday, so you can stay up to date. That being said, let's get to the charts. So let me actually talk about the trade I lost yesterday. So I was here, right? This is the trade I took that I lost. Why did I want to take this trade? Because in the 4 hour, price is in a downtrend. So I was looking at the downtrend, right? I was like, cool, it's on a downtrend. High, low, high, swept. This is the lowest low it made. This is the highest high. I was like, okay, cool, it's just in the range. Didn't break this. I should have actually seen this, right? Didn't break this, but still I was looking for shorts within that. But what I failed to see was the UK 100. This is where it got really annoying, because in here you can still tell it's a downtrend, right? But came low, made a high, did it make a low, right? Broke this high, so market structure shift, right? The market is shifting, right? Close as well. Came back down into this other block. You can even ignore the other block and just say it didn't break this low to make a lower low. No, then after that, this is where I should have seen. That's why I should usually look at both pairs. I stopped doing that for some reason, but this could have been the winning trade for me. So if you go to the 15 minutes, so this happened at 12, so Friday, so Monday is here. This is market open. This line is market open. So this is 8 a.m. right? So yeah, literally in that, if you zoom into the 1 minute, literally you could have done that. This is something I would have actually done. I would have looked at price action in general, been like, oh, it's bullish, cool, made a high, made a low. Now market open. I need market to hold this low, not to break it to continue the trend. So I would have waited for a break of structure, right? I would have been like, okay, I want to see a closure here, a break of structure here, break of structure here. As market broke structure and closed, it has to obviously retrace back into this fair value gap. So I would have been like, okay, this is my position. My stop loss is below these lows, right? Yeah, price has to come over there. Where would my target be? My TP. I would have went to the daily, right? I would have been like, my first TP has to be the previous day high, right? The next TP can be this 4 hour range. So literally here, because the high and the low, and to make a new break of structure, I need to obviously break the range. That could have been my second TP, right? So knowing that, let me show you the R on this one. The ratio on this one is crazy. So yeah, so that's the trade. This is the first trade, yeah. Boom. This would have been a 2.5 R on its own. But obviously to take the whole range, that would have been a 7R. And if you literally stretch it out, it literally done that, and it didn't take that long. Literally happened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, So 8 hours. This took 8 hours. So yeah, man, this would have been the winning trade. I didn't seize. Do you know stupid mistakes like these happen? It's like I know everything I need to know now. It's just putting it into action. It's so weird. Like, it's so annoying, bro. Like, I don't know if you understand, but this is actually annoying because whatever I lose, I do see the winning trade. So I don't know if I should just slow down, double think if I would want to take a trade before I place it. But let me know in the comments like what you think, because honestly, this is something that happens often to me. It's cool. This is the skill that pays for being correct, I guess how you can say it. But yeah, very interesting day. Okay, let me tell you what I'm looking at for today. So knowing this context, right? Knowing that the break of structure occurred, the 4-hour candle closed, I believe that price obviously needed to retrace back down, which it did. It retraced into this fair value gap here, and now price bounced off it up here. So as market open, I'm looking for something internally to target these highs to break another set of structure, right? So that's the plan. So let's zoom into the 1 hour, and we're gonna ignore the DAX because yeah, it's not as clean as the UK 100. Imagine today as I'm trading the UK 100, it just doesn't do me well. But yeah, look, bounced off it, but it didn't break this structure. That's a bit concerning, but I'm going to ignore it. Okay, boom, right, bounced. If I go to the 30-minute, I'm going to mark out when market open. Market opens here. So yeah, I'm looking for price to do some sort of retracement, but hold this range. It needs to hold this range. If it doesn't hold this low, invalidated. Invalid. Because look, essentially, this candle needs to sort of go up to close as the next break of structure. It needs to generally take this to form that continued trend, or at least the 4 hour needs to. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'm a bit doubtful in it just because of how things went. So yeah, let me just double check. Jer hasn't disrespected this range, so I can't say it's bullish as well. Internally, it might look bullish, but it needs to change market structure in the higher time frames, you know. Okay. Anyways, I'll keep you updated. We'll see how things go. Market opens in 8 minutes. As you can see, it opens 8. This is 7:52. So yeah, let's see how things go. I'll update you. So market just opened. So I am looking for. What am I looking for? I do wonder if I missed this trade, because essentially this could have been a break of structure. What the hell? Bro, what? Oh my god. Like, Yo, what is this? What am I looking at? Wait, if he hits the target, then there's no point. If it does that, I'm not trading. Like, what? Yo, what's happening? Yeah, I can't lie. I can't be asked for this. Nah, I'm not trading. Yeah, nah, man. Nah, I'm good. Like, I'm good. Nah, I'm not trading this. This okay. What the hell? I'm actually annoyed. I can't lie because this is not what I learned. This is not what I'm prepared for. Yeah, it's okay. We still have the whole week. Today's Tuesday. It's cool. Catch a good trade this week. That's the end of the video. Let me know in the comments. I don't know. I don't know. Guys, like and follow. More to come. Check out the link in the bio. It has the broker I use. It has the prop firm I use. A few discount codes, whatever you need. It's all in there. Yeah, check out my TikTok, my Instagram. I post on a daily basis. Yeah, for now, I'll call it a day. But, if you look at the trade now, it's about to hit the target. Yeah. But look, it is what it is. Maybe I should backtest a little bit. Like, just a little bit. Yeah, alright. Take care, guys. Bye.